Hey there, developers! Ready to dive into the world of Vue.js? Vue.js is a progressive JavaScript framework that's perfect for building user interfaces and single-page applications. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned coder, Vue.js is designed to be approachable and intuitive, making it a fantastic choice for developers of all levels. Let's kick things off with a bit of history. Vue.js was created by Evan You back in 2014. Since then, it's skyrocketed in popularity thanks to its simplicity, flexibility, and robust ecosystem. So what makes Vue.js so special? First up, reactive components. Vue.js automatically re-renders components when their state changes. Then there's the template-based syntax, which makes it super easy to bind data to the DOM. And don't forget about components. They're the building blocks of Vue.js apps, making it a breeze to build and maintain complex UIs. Vue.js also comes with built-in state management and routing systems, and it even supports server-side rendering. That's a whole lot of power packed into one framework. Now let's break down the core concepts. Components are your foundation. Templates define the structure and layout. Data binding links your data to the DOM. Lifecycle hooks let you execute code at different stages of a component's lifecycle. And computed properties? They compute values based on other data. Ready to get started? First, install Vue.js using npm or yarn. Then, create a new project with the Vue CLI. Learn the basics: components, templates, data binding. Build small projects to get a feel for it. And once you've mastered the basics, dive into advanced concepts like lifecycle hooks, computed properties, and state management. Need more resources? Check out the official Vue.js documentation, join the Vue.js community forum, browse the Vue.js subreddit, or take some tutorials and courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. There you have it. Vue.js is powerful, flexible, and just waiting for you to explore. Happy coding!